These oat and honey granola bars are healthier than the store-bought ones and perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. You can also break up these granola bars and have pieces in yogurt or oatmeal. Nuts, dried berries, or coconut flakes would also taste amazing in these granola bars too. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Blend old-fashioned oats in a food processor until they are a flour-like consistency. In a large mixing bowl, add old-fashioned oats, the blended old-fashioned oats, baking soda, and kosher salt. Mix these ingredients together until they are combined. In a smaller bowl, melt coconut oil for about 30 seconds in the microwave. Add honey, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. Stir these ingredients together until they are fully combined. This mixture will act as the glue to hold the oat mixture together, so make sure this is mixed well. If you don't have coconut oil, feel free to use olive oil, canola oil, or vegetable oil, but the taste will be different. Pour the syrup mixture over the oat mixture. Mix with a spatula until the oat mixture is fully coated. Make sure everything is coated since it needs to hold together to form the granola bars. Feel free to add additional honey if all of the oat mixture is not coated. If you love granola bars or homemade granola, check out my granola playlist in the link above or in the video description below. Pour the granola mixture in an 8x8 pan lined with parchment paper with a little hanging over on the sides. Start pushing the granola mixture down evenly into the pan using a spatula or a small cup. Just make sure the mixture is evenly compacted together, which will help the granola bars hold their shape. Bake in a 325-degree preheated oven for around 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are turning a light brown. Allow the granola to cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Use the overhang of parchment paper to carefully remove the granola from the pan, and while they are still warm, cut into bars. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.